Welcome back to Brainy Points. Today, we're soaring to new heights as we count down the top 10 largest planes in the world. These giants of the sky push the limits of engineering and redefine what we thought was possible. Buckle up and let's get started. Before we embark on our journey through the world of aviation giants, let's take a moment to define what we mean by large. For the purpose of this list, we've chosen to rank these enormous airplanes based on their maximum takeoff weight, MTOW. MTOW is the heaviest weight at which an aircraft is certified to take off, encompassing the weight of the airplane, passengers, crew, cargo, and fuel. At number 10, the Airbus Beluga XL definitely stands out. Based on the Airbus A380-200F, the aircraft shares little resemblance. The Beluga XL was designed by Airbus to meet its own transportation needs. Its key role? Transporting Airbus aircraft components between European production sites. The Beluga XL's enormous cargo hold can accommodate wings or fuselage sections with ease, making it a critical part of Airbus's manufacturing logistics. It's a testament to the creativity and practicality of the design, addressing unique logistical challenges with a dash of creativity. Next up, at number 9, is the XB-70 Valkyrie. This aircraft is a fascinating blend of ambition and innovation, designed as a prototype for a nuclear-armed strategic bomber. Originating from the 1950s Cold War era, the XB-70 Valkyrie was envisioned as a high-altitude Mach 3 bomber. The aircraft's performance capabilities were nothing short of revolutionary. Its sleek design, including a sharply pointed nose and folding wingtips, was specifically engineered to optimize high-speed flight. However, advances in anti-aircraft missile technology caused a shift in strategic thinking, leading to the project's cancellation. Only 2 XB-70s were ever built, and they never saw active service. Instead, they became supersonic research vehicles, used to study aerodynamics, heating, and other aspects of high-speed flight. One of the XB-70s met a tragic end in a mid-air collision during a photo shoot. Coming in at number 8, the Antonov N22 Antei. This turboprop-powered beast, originating from the renowned Antonov Design Bureau, holds the title of the world's largest turboprop-powered aircraft. The N22 is not just about sheer power, though. It also brings versatility to the table with a massive rear cargo door, allowing for efficient loading and unloading of cargo. Additionally, its ability to operate from unprepared runways makes it highly valuable in challenging or remote environments. The N22 may not be a household name like some others on this list, but its record-setting size and distinctive design make it a standout in the world of cargo aircraft. Whether it's moving military equipment, assisting in humanitarian missions, or transporting outsized cargo, the Antonov N22 continues to demonstrate the incredible feats of engineering possible in aviation. Number 7 on our list is the Boeing Dreamlifter. This aircraft is a heavily modified variant of the Boeing 747-400, but with a unique role that sets it apart from its siblings. Created to transport large assembled parts of Boeing's 787 Dreamliner, the Dreamlifter is an outsized cargo freight aircraft that boasts one of the largest cargo holds in the world. Its distinct feature is the bulging fuselage, tailored to carry large components that cannot be easily broken down, such as wings and fuselage sections. Despite its odd shape, the Dreamlifter can fly long distances to deliver components from suppliers around the globe to Boeing's assembly facilities. It plays an integral part in the construction of the 787 Dreamliner, allowing Boeing to uphold its global supply chain and produce one of the most technologically advanced aircraft in the world. At number 6, we have another Boeing marvel, the Boeing 747, the Queen of the Skies. This jet airliner from American manufacturer Boeing has been a significant player in aviation history, setting the standard for long-distance air travel since its debut in the 1970s. Renowned for its distinct hump-like upper deck, the 747 embodies the spirit of aviation and long-haul travel. It has both passenger and cargo versions, with the passenger variant comfortably seating over 366 passengers. Since industry is leaning towards single-aisle designs capable of long-range flights, which are more fuel-efficient and cost-effective, airlines have started to phase out the 747, even though freighter variants remain popular with cargo airlines due to their vast cargo capacity and range. After a 54-year production run, Boeing delivered the final 747 to Atlas Air in January 2023, marking the end of an era. With a total of 1,574 aircraft built, the Boeing 747 may no longer be rolling off the assembly line, but its legacy as the Queen of the Skies endures. This magnificent aircraft continues to serve in cargo and passenger airline operations, reminding us of the golden age of aviation every time it graces the skies. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Antonov N124 Ruslan. This strategic airlift jet aircraft is a proud product of the Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine, known for its mammoth designs. The N124, nicknamed Ruslan, is one of the heaviest aircraft ever mass-produced. It's not just about weight, though. This aircraft is all about carrying massive payloads. From other aircraft to space vehicles, the N124 can haul it all. In terms of design, the Ruslan sports a high-wing design with a sizable cavernous cargo hold. Its unique nose and tail open to allow cargo to be loaded and unloaded from both ends, a unique feature that helps to speed up the process. The N124 has an impressive range and can travel long distances without refueling. This makes it an ideal choice for transporting heavy equipment across continents. A notable aspect of the Antonov N124 is its connection to its bigger sibling, the Antonov N225 Mriya. Both hail from the same design bureau and share similar design features. During the COVID-19 pandemic, several N124s were used to cargo masks and other medical equipment from China to foreign countries. Despite its origins in the Cold War era, the N124 is far from retirement. At number 4, we have the Lockheed C5 Galaxy, an American military transport aircraft that's a titan in its own right. Built by Lockheed, the C5 Galaxy is one of the largest military aircraft in the world. The C5 Galaxy has a unique high-wing design, with 4 engines capable of delivering an enormous amount of thrust. It's built to carry large, heavy cargo over intercontinental distances. In fact, its cargo hold is so vast it can comfortably transport 2 M1 Abrams tanks or even 2 Chinook helicopters. It has an impressive range that allows it to fly vast distances without needing to refuel. Let's also not forget its unique ability to refuel in flight, a capability that none of the other aircraft on this list share. The Lockheed C5 Galaxy, a real workhorse for the US military, has been in service for over 50 years. Even though it was initially introduced in the late 1960s, continual upgrades and refurbishments have kept this giant relevant and crucial for global military operations. Coming in at number 3 is the Airbus A380, an incredible feat of aviation engineering that many of us have likely encountered on long-haul flights. Launched by European manufacturer Airbus, this aircraft revolutionized the way we think about commercial air travel. The Airbus A380 stands out from the crowd due to its sheer size. This wide-body aircraft boasts 2 full-length passenger decks that can comfortably seat between 525 and 853 people, depending on the seating arrangement. This enormous capacity makes it the world's largest passenger airliner. The A380, though, is more than just a big plane. It's also equipped with state-of-the-art technologies and design features aimed at enhancing the passenger experience. These include spacious seating areas, advanced entertainment systems, and quieter cabins. Unfortunately, despite its innovations and passenger appeal, the A380 has faced commercial challenges. High operational costs and a change in airline models from hub and spoke to point have affected its popularity. The final A380 rolled off the production line in 2021. However, you can still catch a ride on this sky giant. The Airbus A380 continues to grace our skies, leaving a trail of impressed passengers and aviation enthusiasts in its wake. At number 2, the Stratolaunch, or as some may call it, the Rock. This brainchild of scaled composites was originally built for Stratolaunch systems to carry air launch to orbit, Alto rockets. With a change in ownership, its purpose shifted towards offering air launch hypersonic flight testing. This beast of an aircraft emerged into the public eye in December 2011 and finally saw the light of day in May 2017. The Stratolaunch then took to the skies for the first time on April 13, 2019, marking a bittersweet milestone shortly after the passing of founder Paul Allen. The Stratolaunch is an eye-catcher with its unique twin fuselage design. But what sets it apart from all the others is its wingspan. With an impressive wingspan of 385 feet, it soared past the previous record, held by the Hughes H-4 Hercules Spruce Goose, at 321 feet. Now you might be wondering about its payload. The Stratolaunch can carry a staggering 550,000 pounds and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,300,000 pounds. However, operations hit a pause in May 2019, shortly after its first flight. By June of that year, all company assets, including the Stratolaunch itself, were up for sale. The tides turned in October 2019, when Cerberus Capital Management acquired Stratolaunch Systems, including the aircraft. With a renewed focus on high-speed flight test services, the Stratolaunch made a comeback. As of April 2023, this behemoth has taken flight 10 times, including 3 with a hypersonic test aircraft. It's now considered fully operational. And topping the list is the Antonov N124 Mriya, an aircraft that literally stands in a category of its own. The An-225 Mriya, whose name translates to dream in Ukrainian, is indeed a dream of engineering, an epitome of human ingenuity and strength. With a maximum takeoff weight of a whopping 640 tons, 1,400,000 pounds, the An-225 Mriya was first put to the sky in 1988. Despite its enormous size, this aircraft's wings stretch out to an impressive 88.4 meters, and it measures 84 meters in length. Remarkably, only one An-225 has ever been built. A second unit was in construction when the Soviet Union collapsed and has since remained uncompleted at a storage facility in Kiev. Unfortunately, the single operational An-225 was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. The aircraft was at an airfield near Kiev when it was attacked. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the skies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Points for more amazing content. Which of these giants amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.